Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about, and I had to clean up a Greek pattern, and I needed to go back and forth with alignment. So to line these vertically, you got to grab them both, go up here, click on vertical, click off horizontal, and hit OK. And I don't know why that didn't work. Click on that. Oh, I didn't unclick horizontal. But I made a hotkey already for horizontal. I select these, and I'm just going to hit the letter H, and it aligned it horizontally because I made a macro for that. So I'm going to make a macro for the V. I don't think it's still there. And I'm going to hit V. See, it's not working. So we're going to record a macro. Your macros are going to be probably under Tools, Scripts, or Macros, depending on what year. If it's 19 and above, it's Scripts, and 19 or 18 and below, it's Macro. Mine are up here. I'm going to start recording. I'm going to call it VER for vertical. Hit OK. As soon as I do that, I start recording. I'm going to grab it with the shape tool, select both of them, go up to the line and hit vertically and hit OK. And see it did it. And then just stop recording. You put it right here. So let's see if it works. Let's grab them both, hit vertical, it worked. Right click on it, assign it a keyboard. I'd already been playing around with it, so it's okay now. Let's see if it works. Hit the V on the keyboard and it works. Now, I'm not gonna say this is gonna work every time, but in that short a time, if you had a lot of these to do, it would save you time just to set up that macro. This looks really funny, but it's not. So I'm gonna hit H. And also all this needs to be lined, so select it all and convert them to lines for this to work. But it works, and it helped a lot when I was doing this for this. Instead of selecting these, going up here, going down here, and hitting OK, it does it automatically with the macro, just one keystroke. So we're going to do it one more time and hit V. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.